Manifesting small things is easy, but how do you manifest those really big things? Those larger than life dreams, or those big visions of massive success, or millions of dollars, or your dream mansion, or your dream job? Well, I want to show you exactly how to manifest those really big things. Because the truth is that this one shift I'm about to share with you can actually make it show up 10 times faster. This is proven. And once you understand this, you will be operating at and playing at a whole new level when it comes to manifestation. So if you're ready to manifest all of those big things with ease, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button below. And really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. My whole channel is all about manifesting the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. Here on my channel, I make manifestation make sense without all of the confusion. And I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Now let's get right into how to do this, how to manifest those really big things. Because this is really mind-blowing when you understand how to use this one shift. This is the one thing that I shifted that actually allowed me to manifest my brand new Mercedes. And if you want that exact step-by-step process of everything I did and how it all happened, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link up here and down below for you to watch that one next. For me personally, I always love hearing other people's law of attraction stories and how people manifested things. So if you like those types of videos, this one is going to be super helpful. I share so many insights and tools and show you firsthand examples of how that manifestation all came together. There was ups and downs, but it's a really good story. Now let's get into how to accelerate and speed up something that feels so big and different from where you're at right now, because the secret actually lies within your subconscious programming and your beliefs. You see, your subconscious mind runs about 95% of your life on autopilot. Yes, that means you don't even realize that you are basically living life automatically. And your subconscious programming is actually formed by things you were taught, things you were told, things that you experienced mainly within the first 7 years of your life. So this subconscious programming created your beliefs, what you believe to be true based on past events. So if you're looking to manifest something big, you have to change the way you see it and change what you believe about it. You have to do something I like to refer to as taking it off the pedestal. And this is so important that I actually talk about this a lot inside of the Rewire, which is like everyone's favorite program of mine right now, because it really only takes about 5 to 15 minutes per day, and it actually rewires your mind and creates this entire manifestation acceleration experience over 31 days. You follow the day, each day for 31 days. It builds upon itself. It is so powerful, and the results people get are insane. So if you want more information on the Rewire, I'll go ahead and link it up here and link it down below. There's also some really fun manifestation experiments inside that everybody loves. It's truly one of the favorites right now, so go ahead and check it out. But here is what you need to shift. Right now, you have a belief that this thing that you want is big, or it's going to be difficult to get or hard to get, or that it's on this other separate level from where you are right now. You are putting it on this pedestal and essentially making it bigger than it actually is. Think of it this way. Other people already have this thing that you want. It already exists. You're not trying to manifest it existing. It already exists. It's already possible. Other people already have it. So therefore, that is proof that you can have it too. You just have to normalize it for yourself. You just have to stop making it seem like such a big deal. If I were to ask you if you could manifest $1 this week, you probably wouldn't even hesitate. You would be almost certain that it would be easy to manifest $1 this week. You honestly might even laugh at how easy that is. But then if I were to ask you if you could manifest $100,000 this week, you would probably look at me like I was crazy. Or you might even just flat out say, no way. But why? It's because you haven't normalized that yet on a subconscious level. When you normalize something on a subconscious level, you no longer hold resistance around it. And that resistance is really the only thing stopping and holding you back. What's the real difference between $1 and $100,000? I mean, obviously the monetary value and the freedom it would provide, but deep down, they both only have the meaning that you attach to them. You have the power to attach meanings to anything. And therefore, you can normalize things and make them not such a big deal. But here is the important part about normalizing these big things. This isn't some magic potion that works overnight. You're not going to normalize $100,000 being common for you overnight. That is not what I'm saying. Because your subconscious programming and your core beliefs run so deep, and they have been reinforced your entire life. So changing them is going to require commitment. If you want them to shift, it's going to require your constant attention and awareness. And it takes being able to look at every time something feels big and distant, and instead see it as easy, attainable, closer. It's sort of like how you wouldn't go to the gym once, expecting to leave and your entire body looks different. That's not how it works. It takes time, attention, consistency to build that muscle and change it. Normalize it by daily noticing your attention and feelings. When your mind automatically tells you something is big or hard or impossible, instead ask yourself this question: why not me? Why not now? And then try and answer it for yourself. And notice what silly beliefs you come up with that aren't actually true. It's your subconscious mind giving you feedback of exactly where you are. You just chose to believe these silly things. They aren't actually real. You've just normalized those beliefs, so that's your automatic default. So change your mind and normalize new beliefs by asking that question: why not me? Why not now? Other people have it, and you can too. It's all just wrapped up in the meanings and perceptions that you're attaching to things based on your past beliefs. So normalize what you want until it's automatic and you couldn't imagine not having it. And I also have one more tool that I think will really help you normalize those bigger goals and dreams, and that is the law of assumption subliminal. I'm gonna go ahead and link it up here, and I'll also link it in the description box below. But my favorite part about this subliminal is that you literally don't have to do anything at all. You just put it on as background noise while you go about your day or do your chores or read or work or take the dog for a walk. It's something going on in the background that you don't have to pay attention to. And it directly bypasses your conscious mind and gets straight to your subconscious mind to start priming it to get evidence of what you want, to get into that certainty, to normalize those bigger things and make them obvious. So again, ask yourself the question daily: why not me? Why not now? And then go ahead and listen to those subliminals. I think that's really going to make a huge difference in normalizing these bigger things. Stop needing them. Start making them normal. Normal and obvious is my favorite. Take it off that pedestal. It exists, and therefore you can have it. Don't make it more complicated than that. Don't fall into the trap of getting caught up in the how or the when or the timing, because none of that is your part. Instead, be certain of it. That is your part. And then let the magic happen. Watch how things come together. Please leave me a comment below if this is resonating with you, because I'm telling you that normalizing things is truly life-changing. This is really manifesting from the inside out. I feel like so often we're taught to manifest from things outside of ourselves, but it's really your beliefs and your programming that are running your life on autopilot. So normalize getting what you want. Normalize winning, normalize succeeding, normalize getting your expectations always exceeded. And that's what you'll experience. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.